Carnival. Y'all need to send somebody over here to look at this Carnival Radiance because that is not cool. What's up, y'all, and welcome back to day 2 of Phil
Andy's
travel spree aboard the Carnival Radiance. As you see, you know we got the merch on. Shout out to Rich and Jazz. It is our first sea day of the cruise, so you know we got to rock the melanin at sea gear. So last night we caught up on some real good sleep, much needed sleep from our long travel day yesterday and embarkation day.
I look a little better today. You know, yesterday I was looking busted and disgusted.
She got herself together. So this is the D y'all used to seeing.
You know.
But anyway, we got a fun-filled day for you. We got a couple parties going on. We got some activities for PJ since it's his birthday.
Yeah.
And it's elegant night. So make sure you stay tuned. Go ahead, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and make sure you stay tuned.
See you in a few, because we about to go tear up Club Ocean. Ain't that right? Yeah? Yeah.
See y'all. Hey, man. How you doing? You having fun? This is all his dinosaurs, ain't it?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, y'all had it going on in here, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see you, man. Y'all left me all by myself, huh?
Duh.
Yeah, I see it. What sound the dinosaur make?
Roar.
Roar. Y'all ready to go eat?
Gotta clean up, Papa.
Time to clean up.
You gonna do it one at a time? Put them in your shopping cart.
Gotta go put them in the cart, man.
Put them in the shopping cart so you can get them all at one time.
All right.
Put it in the bin.
Now put it in the bin, man.
Please sit down.
One at a time.
The Carnival does a good job of keeping the toys sanitary. They do have clean toys bin. And then, yeah, that is the used toys bin. Good job, man. Here, put this one. Open it up. Open. Thank you. Here, clean up. All right. Good. So that way you can feel safe about your kids coming and playing. They do keep the area and the toys clean. Hey, man, you have fun? It's time to go eat.
Yeah.
Say eat.
Yeah.
No. Where we going to eat?
Let me get the mac and cheese and pancakes for him. And then for me, I want the French toast with sausage and hash brown.
Sausage, hash brown.
Let me get the brunch burger. The brunch burger.
Crust burger.
Brunch burger. And then that's it.
So I will say that for brunch, they've been really nice, which they were not as nice on the Valley in the morning.
In the morning. Yeah, dinner time was good.
Yeah. So that's what I'm saying. Like this morning, they've been very nice. It's smaller, especially upstairs. I think downstairs is pretty big because it extends, but upstairs is a lot smaller. It's a smaller ship though. Like a lot of things have been smaller. However, it's very diverse in clothing because you got people in shorts and flip-flops, and then you got people bundled up in coats, and you got people with a coat and shorts, and you know, you just never know what you're gonna get.
The temperature said 49 degrees this morning.
Yeah, it's cold, but I feel like people still want it to be like cruising, so they still trying to push the shorts and flip-flops, but it's cold. So, and apparently it's warmer than it was last sailing. So I'm glad we're on this one and not the other one.
Yeah, old buddy said what? He didn't even see the sun last cruise.
Yeah, that's crazy.
So.
That's crazy. So
So PJ's birthday, bring the sunshine. Do the sunshine.
All right.
but what else was I gonna say? The crowd is different too. Last night at the 90s trivia, they were like, it's a vacation. Why y'all not? Like, it was dead. It was dead.
Well, we also close to spring break. I
It
think
was
it'll pick up. This is like, what, 2 weeks before spring
Well, I'm
break?
talking about this cruise though. The people on the cruise.
Is everyone excited for the Seuss-a-palooza? Two chance to be as loud as you want. Excellent. You don't get to be this loud often, do you? So now you go. Dr. Seuss! Alright, you guys are good at this. Let's see how we're looking. Ooh. Hey everyone! Who's excited for Dr. Seuss? Yeah, everybody march in place. Let me see how good you march. What? But this is the best marching I've ever seen. Look at everybody go. Everyone make noise when they want to sing too. Well, let me introduce you to the chef from our green eggs and ham breakfast. He's big, he's yellow, he's fuzzy, his name rhymes. It's Sam I Am! Hey Sam! Everyone say hi Sam! Alright, now look, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go on this parade in just a second, everybody. When we go on the parade, you need to march, you need to be loud, and you need to do the chant. One more time. Dr. Seuss is on the Let's hear it for the book. 1, 2, 3. It's the book, everyone. Oh, look at that. It looks like a really big book, but it's actually just a normal sized book and looks giant compared to Hannah.
We are here. We are here. We are
Oh, I know where you are. All right, everyone. In the cool of the pool, he was splashing. Like really splashing. Splashing everyone in sight. We've got to wake them up somehow.
Oh.
Splash, I was taking the splash. All up in the jungle anew. And begged, please don't harm all my little folks who have as much right to live as us bigger folks do. But far, far beyond him, that eagle kept flapping. And over her shoulder, almost 2 days, you've run wild and insisted on chatting with persons who never existed. Did anyone else notice that the kangaroo sounded an awful lot like Lieutenant Dan?
Forrest Gump.
You got new legs. And from now on, do you know what I'm planning to do? From now on, I'm going to protect them with you. And the young kangaroo in her pouch said,
We are here. We are here. We are here.
Let me tell you about your girl here.
Stop.
She had more fun than all the kids at Dr. Seuss Palooza.
No.
No.
No. Look,
You was in there participating, had laughing,
Yeah,
everything.
for DJ. I do it for the kids.
You did it for the kids?
I do it for the kids.
Oh, for you, because you childish.
For the kids.
All right. Now that that's over, it's time to head up to the Lido for the
Groove.
for St. Jude, baby.
Grooving and moving for St. Jude.
Really? How's it doing? That's your move? Watch out now. Alright, before we get to grooving too much, we did have to come to the restroom right over here by Guys Burgers, cause
Oh, they actually have things in here.
oh, what they got?
Some gloves.
Gloves and
A bag.
a disposable bag.
Yeah.
Alright. So
That's
yeah,
nice.
we're still parenting, as you can see.
We're gonna change him on his
Yeah,
bag.
so we're gonna change them up real quick, and then we're gonna go back to grooving. Hey. We're good. Y'all, this had to be the sorriest groove for St. Jude. But we gonna address that in a little bit. We finna go to the Love and Marriage show. But yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all about that later. It wasn't no grooving.
The way that we're gonna choose our third and final couple is with a good old-fashioned makeout competition. Not yet, Snow White. Yeah, we remember you. Now look, you've got to do something. He sat down, he's like, nah, to hell with that. Don't get undressed either, woman. Okay. It's about to get hotter. Now listen. Oh good, the children are leaving. 2, 3, go! Oh, he got down. Oh, he got a handful of booty over there. Oh, what's happening up there? It's gonna be fun because most of your family is in the room right now. Brooke, who do you think Skylar chose as your most annoying family member?
I don't want to tell you.
I'll read it. Now look. This is just what you think he's gonna say. It's not what he actually said. He might, we don't know. We haven't gotten there yet. So who do you think he said?
Sorry, Mom.
Oh no.
Look how proud she is!
Oh my God. She's sitting down there.
That's right, she gave you away last night. Now you're not her problem anymore. Alright. Skylar, just put a name. I don't know the relationship. We're gonna find out. Who did you say?
I said Bobby, which is Brooke's mom.
I'm not gonna ask you to elaborate. I will let you all settle this later on. If you hear a man overboard signal later, everyone, look for a red flannel shirt floating in the ocean. There's a parrot living in your bedroom. What word, phrase, or sound would it learn to repeat?
That feels so good.
What did you say?
Snoring.
Snoring.
Give it up for these three couples, everyone, right now.
Okay, so we just left Love and Marriage. Love and Marriage was good.
It was.
It was really good. It was really
For
funny.
him not to be fond of the cruise director, I think he did a great job.
Yeah, he did a good
Love and
job.
Marriage.
And it was our first time going at a 12:30 show, so
Yeah,
we
it
were
was
kind of skeptical
early.
at first. I mean, it was early, but it was still good.
Mm-hmm.
But we need to talk about this here
What were we talking about?
because Carnival. Y'all need to send somebody over here to look at this Carnival Radiance because that is not cool. So this Groove for St. Jude party, I wouldn't even call it a party. I wouldn't even call it a social. I wouldn't even call it a mixer. It was plain sorry. Like, I'm not one to be, negative. But if this is for a fundraiser, and this is for to help the children out, and, for parents to have them to relocate, get them somewhere to stay, it was bad. It was very bad. Like, okay, the DJ was, I get it's cold. The DJ was in their hands in his pocket. The cruise director didn't even come out. So
He had to get ready for Love and Marriage. I feel like they scheduled it wrong. Like the scheduling should have been different so that he could have made it to the Groove for St. Jude and then the Love and Marriage because there's no hype. There was no let's do this.
it
no
was
grooving,
nothing.
no
It's just
moving, no
like
shaking.
regular, Lido time. Like just another normal day on the Lido.
From what I saw, I was in the corner.
Like,
Like, off. 'Cause it's cold.
They had the t-shirts there and teddy bears that they were selling. They didn't have anybody running around asking for donations. I don't even think anybody bought a t-shirt. They may have sold a couple t-shirts. But like I said, there was no... The sell-away party was better than that. But my thing is, we don't even know how much money they raised. So, Carnival, y'all might want to figure out how to rework things on the Radiance or something because that was not a party. Nobody was grooving. Nobody was moving around.
Nobody was getting the crowd involved.
Nobody. It sucked. And for as many Carnival cruises we've been on, this is by far the worst groove for St. Jude that
We
we've
was
seen.
all hyped, the grooving. and
Yeah,
moving,
we was like, we gotta be there, you know what I'm
for
saying?
St. Jude.
Hold on. So, y'all seen the clips. Like, drop down in the comments. Have y'all been on the Carnival ship that had a terrible groove for St. Jude? Because this was... It was bad. It was bad. Anyways, that's enough of my rant. So, we came back to the room. Somebody's getting sleepy after they talked about me last night. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. So... Anyway, I'm finna go around and get them some food so they can rest. Regroup as they call it. They finna take a nap.
He already took a nap.
So, anyways, finna go up, get some food. We're gonna kind of chill a little bit, see where the day takes us. But, yeah. That party was bad.
Yeah, Dr. Seuss parade was a little bit better than that.
Oh yeah, Dr. Seuss was good. Y'all saw the big kid having fun.
Yeah, y'all saw him and PJ out there marching and ringing the bells.
And saw you laughing at all the terrible jokes.
It was funny. Caw-caw.
Bye, y'all.